Hey, as you already know, I'm making a later archive of my LEGO city buildings. Now I am in part of the city that was built in the summer of 2019, and the next few reviews will be devoted to this group of buildings. This is the detective's office and the pool. This building is converted from two sets of the Creator Expert series. Well, let's quickly start the review. Let's go! Until the summer of 2019, there was nothing here, and the cat was sitting on the ground near the city, and in the summer of 2018, he was already resting on the roofs of buildings. He especially liked the courthouse. The buildings in this part of the city are very close to each other, so from the outside I will only show you the front and back walls. It's a two-story building. On the facade of the first floor, the name of the institution called the highlighter is written on the large panoramic windows. Here is billiards or pool as evidenced by the sign above. And on the second floor is the office of detective named Ace Brickman. A staircase leads here from the first floor. Above all this is a row with stucco. From the back of the building on the first floor there is an emergency exit and a small window, and on the second floor you can see larger windows. The roof of the building is horizontal and there is a barrel of water and two windows through which daylight enters the second floor. Well, let's take a look inside. Here you can see two rooms. In the first, the detective and his assistant are thinking about how to catch the criminals. And in the second room, there is a laboratory in which Frank, an antiquarian seeker, together with his assistant, are researching various ancient objects for the museum and collectors. They also help detectives analyze evidence. For this, everything you need is here. Each room has a hiding place in the wall and a lot of other accessories and interesting things. By the way, it was in this building that I shot some episodes of my first stop-motion animation series called Between the Future and the Past. Well, let's go down to the first floor. Here serious gentlemen gather at the billiard table and discuss important matters while drinking expensive drinks from the bar. Above each table there is a fan and a lamp. On one wall there is a compartment with pool keys. On the opposite wall there is a golden goblet. You can also throw darts here. Since the building is small, the review also turned out to be short. Well, if you like this video, then please like it and feel free to comment and share it with your friends. I will be happy to see you among the subscribers of our channel. Good luck everyone and take care of yourself. See you later.